Hi everyone, welcome to TPP Learning Academy. Today, we will look at how to set up user groups. Simply navigate to Setup, Users and Policy, and Organization Preferences. Only system administrators are permitted to access the screen. Click on User Group on the left-hand side menu. Users will be able to create new group, delete a group, add or remove a staff member in an existing group. There are various uses of groups in System 1, such as sending tasks, sending notifications, setting up task rules, and in document workflow. Once amendments have been made to this screen, clicking OK will confirm these changes. A useful point to mention is that user groups are also used as categorization in the task list screen. For instance, a practice manager might want to monitor how many tasks are currently in the receptionist group to manage workflow. I hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. For hints and tips, please follow us on Twitter at TPP Training Tips.